Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a post on your Facebook page. Scheduling posts allows you to plan your content in advance, so your posts are published automatically at a specific date and time. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to facebook.com. Sign in to the Facebook account that manages your Facebook page. Next, switch to your page if you're not already using it. Click Create Post to start a new post. Enter the text, photos, videos, or other content you want to publish. Once your post is ready, click the Schedule option instead of publishing it immediately. Select the date and time when you want your post to go live. Double-check the scheduled time to make sure it's correct. Then click Schedule to save your scheduled post. Facebook will automatically publish the post at the date and time you selected. If you want to make changes before it's published, open your scheduled posts, select the post, and choose Edit, Reschedule, or Delete. That's it. You've successfully learned how to schedule a post on your Facebook page. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Facebook tips, social media tutorials, and helpful guides. See you in the next video.